Hello there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check someone's new followers on Instagram. Firstly, launch the application and then simply tap on some profile to get sure for this checkout. Now, for example, you need to go for the follower section by clicking on it, and here as you can see, here it is all his profiles that are following him on this Instagram setup. Now if I scroll down, as you can see, there is no option for checking out who are the most recent sites who get that followers. Now before that section there was an option, but that was in 2019, but now that feature is not available and there is no option to check this out. Also, you can just check out who are following on this site. You can see that all these which says follow, that is not following you or you are not following them, but they are followers of this person which are getting through this profile. And that's it guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.